How's it going, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys a proper step-by-step guide for how you can create a booking website on Acuity. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So creating a booking website on Acuity is a pretty straightforward process, and with the right guidance, you guys can do it too. So as everyone knows, Acuity Scheduling is a popular online appointment scheduling tool that allows businesses to manage appointments, bookings, and client information efficiently. So, like I said at the start, this is going to be a guide to help you guys set up your own booking website on Acuity. So, the first steps that we need to take would be the sign up process. So, we're going to sign up for an account and set it up. And this is what the sign up page actually looks like. So, it's pretty straightforward. Basically, we're just going to click on try scheduling, and this will take us to the page where we'll be able to sign up. And to give you guys a bit of insight on some of the key features, as you can see here, automated booking, enable automated appointment booking, customer engagement, control your availability with ease, so shit like that, appointment software that adapts to your business and whatnot. So the sign up page looks a little bit a little something like this, and Acuity is actually a tool or a plugin, whatever you want to call it, made by Squarespace. So everything here is actually integrated, and by that I mean all of the key features that you get with Squarespace, you also have on Acuity. So that's pretty cool. So going back, so the sign up process is pretty straightforward. So like I said, go to that website, sign up for an account, and basically just follow the on-screen instructions to create your account. And it's pretty straightforward, there's not much else to it. You just provide the necessary information like your business name, location, and type, all that jazz. And you should be ready for the next steps. So the next thing that you need to do is, once your account is set up, we're going to customize a scheduling page. And to do so, what you want to do is log into your account, and this will take you to the Acuity dashboard. Now, what you want to do here is you want to navigate to the business settings, usually found on the left-hand side of the screen. So click on business settings to customize your scheduling page. And here you actually have the option to customize your page. So you can do stuff like add elements, a logo, customize colors, and choose a theme that aligns with your brand. Some other cool things that the page lets you do is add an embedded scheduler, a booking button, a booking bar, but these are all of the elements that you can that I was mentioning before that you could add to your website. So embedded scheduler, you can embed Acuity's full online booking experience on your website. The booking button, obviously add a button that redirects them to the scheduler on your Acuity generated client scheduling page, and it looks a little something like this. Okay, so it doesn't actually show. So moving on. You guys get the gist. You basically get full customizability of your scheduling page. So next up, we're going to set up our availability. So in your dashboard, what you want to do is go to the availability section to set up your working hours. So this will define when you're available for appointments and configure breaks if needed. So the really cool thing about this is Acuity actually allows you to set different time availability for different types of appointments. So you can customize it according to your needs. And next up, we're going to be creating appointment types and services. So depending on the business model that you guys are running, you're able to actually customize the appointment types and services that you offer. So once you're on the dashboard, simply click on appointment types. It's usually found on the left-hand side of the screen, and you can create different types of appointments or services that you offer. So this might include stuff like consultation calls rather, in-person meetings, virtual sessions, webinars, therapy, or whatever. So here you're actually able to do cool stuff like configure the appointments, so you can specify the duration of the appointment, as well as the price or any additional information that the clients may need to know. Moving on, we're going to be configuring the payment and integrations. And because it's tied with Squarespace, you have a lot of options. So if you're charging for your services, To configure payments, the payment settings, you want to go to client payments, and once again found on the dashboard. And what Acuity does is it integrates various payment processors like Stripe, PayPal, and Square, which is by Squarespace. So everything else is pretty straightforward and automated, so you guys should be good to go. So if you guys were looking to have different payment gateways set up, then obviously you can do that too, as Acuity lets you explore other integrations under the integration setting to connect to Acuity. So stuff like payment methods or payment gateways, whatever you want to call it, other tools like your email, calendars, and maybe productivity tools as well. So next, we're going to learn about customizing confirmation and reminder emails. So under emails, customize confirmation and reminder emails that clients will receive will be fully configured by you. So these can include you can have it include personalized messages, instructions, and links to any resources that they may need. And to test these emails, you can simply send one to a dummy account to ensure that they look and function as expected. Now, the last part is actually embedding the scheduling widget on your website. And to do so, you want to basically go to the client scheduling page and copy the embed code from there. So once you've copied it, it should be automatically generated, by the way, so that should be fine. What you want to do is you want to paste the code into your website where you want the booking widget to appear. So you can test this by you can test this booking process on your website to ensure that it works seamlessly. And yeah, that's basically it. Obviously, there are a couple of different elements and fundamentals that you can play around with to set up your booking website using Acuity. But that's a basic rundown of how you guys can set it up. And yeah, congratulations. Now you've set up a booking website on Acuity. And with this, you're able to explore its features such as reporting, analytics, and gain insights into your business performance and improve your scheduling process. So hopefully this video helped you guys out, and if it did, be sure to let us know down in the comment section below. And if you guys want to see more videos like these, we do have a YouTube channel where we do guides like these daily, so if you want to show your support that, you can do so by subscribing to the channel. So with all of that said, thank you all for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.